إن الذين يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون النبيين بغير حق ويقتلون الذين يأمرون بالقسط من الناس فبشرهم بعذاب أليم.
Give those who refuse to follow the directives of Allah, who unjustly slay the prophets and slay those who enjoin justice, the glad tidings of a grievous chastisement.
أولئك الذين حبطت أعمالهم في الدنيا والآخرة وما لهم من ناصرين.
These are the people whose works have gone to waste, both in this world and in the world to come. They have none to come to their help.
ألم تر إلى الذين أوتوا نصيبا من الكتاب يدعون إلى كتاب الله ليحكم بينهم ثم يتولى فريق منهم وهم معرضون.
Have you not noticed those who were given a portion of the book? Whenever their learned men are summoned to the book of Allah to judge the differences among them, a party of them turns away in aversion.
ذلك بأنهم قالوا لن تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودات وغرهم في دينهم ما كانوا يفترون.
This is because they say, the fire of hell shall not touch us, except for a limited number of days. The false beliefs which they have forged have deluded them in their faith.
فكيف إذا جمعناهم ليوم لا ريب فيه ووفيت كل نفس ما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
How then will they fare when we shall gather them all together to witness the day, about the coming of which there's no doubt, and when every human being shall be paid in full for what he has done, and none shall be wronged.